family knows something about blow. Dizzy white snowflakes find their way right up her nose. Don't ask her how she feels. Don't ask her what is real. I can only say I've seen better days. This is my mistake. You have no idea it could be asleep before it finally wakes. And we've been here before, wrestling on the floor, pleading for God's sake. But time and time again I tell my lonely friends I don't know what's at stake. You are so fucked up. I don't know why I even tried. You wrote us off. I don't see how we got here now. I don't see how we got here now. I don't see how we got here now.
Crashing down, crashing down, crashing down, crashing down, crashing ashes, ashes, crashing all fall. Crashing ashes, ashes, crashing all fall. Crashing ashes, ashes, crashing all fall. Crashing ashes.
No, please, I didn't mean to peek into the magician's hat. Let me go!
Button your lip, punk, and start walking.
Where are you taking me? Who are you?
Avast there! The mighty hoodoo will deal with you, you spy!
Spy? I'm not a spy. I just wanted to look into the magician's hat.
Take him away!
Let's have a bite together.
No, stop. Let me go.
Get the move on! Let's go! Crank him! Come on, you!
Crashing ashes, crashing ashes, crashing down,
Open up!
crashing down,
We've caught a spy!
I keep telling you, I'm not a spy.
crashing down,
Shut up, spy! Open up!
crashing down, crashing down, crashing down, crashing down, crashing down, crashing down, crashing down.
All right. Well, so this next song is kind of an apology. It's a really sad song, and it's called "One Word I Said." All right.
I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. Now you're my one, you're my only regret. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. I lost my job just the other day, and like everybody else, well, I've got a mountain of bills that need to be paid. Then I lost my way, now I don't know which way to go. But the wind may blow and the grass may grow, and for all we know, well, it just might snow. And what'll I do? What have we become when the day is over and the night's begun? What'll I do about me and you? I told you before, we are so through. But I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. Now you're my one, you're my only regret. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. I used to sit up at night just so I could watch ya. I wrote on my Michael loves Natasha. I never meant one word. I never meant one word. I never meant one word. I said I never meant one word. I never meant one word. I never meant one word. I said. Now you're my one. You're my only regret. I never meant one word. I never meant one word. I never meant one word. I said I never meant one word. I never meant one word. I never meant one word. I said, and I'm so sorry. I never treat you like that again. I never meant one word. I never meant one word. I never meant one word. I said I never meant one word. I never meant one word. I never meant one word. I said I never meant one word. I never meant one word. I never meant one word. I said.
The key to us getting out of here.
Not so much a key as a divining rod.
They're going. Dad, look! They're leaving!
Like myself, you have fallen through a dimensional doorway. In my case, however, only time was affected, not location. It is a tool for traveling through the universe.
This is our one chance to get home. We can't let him have it.
If what Enoch says is true, son.
It isn't. It can't be.
But it's got nothing to do with you. I've got no one, still you won't do. And after today, I'd say we aren't quite through. But I know you won't break down, you won't miss a step, you won't be around, and you'll never regret. But one day, when I'm old and gray, I might look back and say, these were the golden days. One day, when I'm old and I'm gray, I might look back and say, this was the price.
Anger is kept in check. That is why my race has endured so long. You must leave now.
Stop it, Will. What do you think you're doing?
Yes!
No, son!
We've got to make him tell us how to use it.
I do not know the way to your world.
So it goes, or so they say. Time's like a mountainscape. I don't know, but I can't complain. God knows I've got my own escape. Sometimes I just might, even in the middle of the night. Sometimes, someday, sometimes I wake and bake. But it's got nothing to do with you.
In the mist are the things that terrify each of you the most.
What is it, Will?
Can't you see it? It's horrible.
After today, I'd say we are quite through. But one day,
To us now,
when I'm old and
attacking
gray, I
our
might look
minds.
back and say,
Isn't this just
"These
as
were the
bad?
golden
Not
days."
understand.
One day when I'm old and I'm gray, I might look back and say, this was the price I
It is not the absence of hate that will save your people, but it is the presence of compassion.
I perhaps have lost sight of this. If the generations to follow commit the same errors, then we shall all perish.
I'm just playing a little guitar here. How you doing? And I was thinking about my grandpa. I was thinking about Nima Shomas' grandpa. My grandpa went to boarding school. He went to Flandreau Indian School back in the day. And if you ever wonder why more of us don't speak Ojibwe, a lot of that can be traced back to the boarding school era. When my grandpa went to boarding school, it was strictly forbidden to speak Ojibwe at all. They tried to, they had a mission at the school there that say, to save the child by killing the Indian. And so they tried to make the kids forget that they were Anishinaabe, and they wouldn't allow them to speak their language or, have long hair or any of that. So I wrote a song. This song is called Home, and it's about my grandpa, who was born in 1913, and it's called Home. Giwe, Home, and that's our Ojibwe word for the day, Giwe, home, or like go home. All right, hope you like this song. I was born in 1913 in the storm of 1913. But then at boarding school, I was nobody's fool. Down at Flandreau, I grew madder every day. That's why I had to run away. This is no way to live. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. And on a fateful day, me and my brother Ray, we planned our getaway. If we can make it to the tracks, we won't be coming back. We're gonna hop a train. I thought we got away, but then the cops came and took
said I'm going home. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I said I'm going home. I wanna go 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 home. Hoa. I'm never coming back here again. This is it now, this is the end. Tomorrow I'll say we can still be friends, but I'm never coming back here again. I was caught for 3 long years, lost in the thoughts of a young man's fears. I cannot swim in a sea of tears. I found you out and then I disappeared. Now I'm never coming back here again. I'm never coming back here again. This is it now, this is the end. I'm never coming back here again. And so it comes down to this. One sad parting farewell kiss. Goodbyes in this morning's mist. What's mine is yours, but what's yours is his. So I'm never coming back here again. I'm never coming back here again. This is it now, this is the end. I'm never coming back here again. Oh, oh, I'm never coming back here again.
don't you remember we told you? Mr. Hooper died. He's dead.
Oh, yeah, I remember. Well, I'll give it to him when he comes back.
Big Bird, Mr. Hooper's not coming back.
Why not?
Big Bird, when people die, they don't come back.
Ever?
No, never.
Why not?
Well, Big Bird, they're dead. They can't come back.
Isn't it always there in the back of your mind? Don't wanna waste any time. How can I waste any time if I've gotta die? Maybe one day, maybe when I'm old and gray, then it'll feel okay. One day we'll all fall down.
Who's gonna make my birds eat milkshakes and tell me
Someday we'll
stories?
all fall
I'm gonna
down.
take care of the store. Mr. Hoover, he left it to me. And I'll make you your milkshakes. We'll all tell you stories. We'll make sure you're okay.
Do we really need an authority to make us see eternity? There's no you or me. We're waves on a sea. We're leaves on a tree. It's not as it seems. One day we'll all fall down. Someday we'll all fall down. Yeah. One day we'll all fall down.
It'll never be the same around here without him.
Someday we'll all
But you know something?
fall down.
We can all be very happy that we had a chance to be with him and to know him and to love him a lot when he was here.
But I don't like it. Makes me sad.
We all feel sad, Big Bird.
He's never coming back.
Never.
You know, I'm gonna miss you, Mr. Looper.
That's Hooper, Big Bird. Hooper.
All right. Can we get quiet on the set, y'all? Recording We Slip Out, take one. Take one. We Slip Out. All right, boss. Whenever you're ready. Okay.
We slip Today, hey, hey, I don't feel the same way today. Do you really like North Dakota? Wouldn't you rather live in Minnesota? The days are short and the nights are colder. She doesn't know because I never told her. And no time, I don't know why. I got no time, and you don't know why. I don't feel right, I don't feel right, I don't feel right, I don't feel the same way today. Today, hey, hey, I don't feel the same way put you on a pedestal till you were no longer credible, and I put you up so you could let me down. Oh, maybe it's time to leave this town. Maybe you heard I got no time, I don't know why. I got no time, and you don't know why. I don't know why, but I don't feel right. I don't feel right. I don't feel the same way today. Today, hey, hey, I don't feel the same way today. Today, today, today,
Miigwech Bizendawieg, thank you for listening. And thank you for watching Buju Nana Buju, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana Buju, and I will see you again. Giga Waba Min, Minawa, Hawa.